coal bed methane, that protest by Tamil Nadu farmers. Okay, obviously, what is the basis? Coal bed methane is the basis. Coal bed methane is an unconventional gas. Third time I am saying this. Along with shale gas, along with gas halide. What is the meaning of coal bed methane? Methane which is trapped between the coal rocks. So these are coal rocks above and below. And because of the pressure of water and all, this gas is absorbed, ADSORBED, absorbed on the surface of the coal rocks. So obviously we want to take out this methane. How this is taken out? The method used for taking out this coal bed methane is known as dewatering. Dewatering means they made a drill, and from that drill they takes out the water. When you are taking out the water, aren't you reducing the pressure? When you are reducing the pressure, as you know very well, that absorption is a physical process on the surface. And when the pressure will be reduced, this gas will come out. And when this gas will come out, obviously there will be two pipes. Through one pipe, you will be taking out water, and through other pipe, the gas comes out. That is what we call as coal bed methane. There is a difference. In case of shale gas, water is pumped, where in this case, water is taken out. Okay, fine. But what's the problem in coal bed methane? Why these people are protesting? Here, very simple logic, very simple logic. Don't search for the things in the books, search here, you have the answers. Obviously, simple, apply your science principles which you have studied and which you have imbibed over a period of time. Here, after one point, the production will decline, because once the pressure will go below a certain level, the desorption rate will be very, very less. When the desorption rate will be very, very less, the production of the gas will decline very fast. And when the production of the gas declines very fast, obviously to keep up the production, because you have invested already a lot, what you have to do, you have to drill a huge number of wells. That's where these people are sitting in Jantar Mantar. Because the land will be good for nothing after that. Gas taken out, gone. Gas taken out, gone. Gas taken out, gone. Environmental consequences later on, this is what we call as coal bed methane. Listen here. In Tanjavur, when Jayalalitha was chief minister, she suspended drilling. But obviously, the current political situation in the state is highly volatile. Obviously, that's you people know far better than me. That is coal bed methane. What is the status? Commercial production, yes or no? No. There is no commercial production. Shale gas, commercial production, yes or no? No. Gas halide, commercial production, yes or no? No. Nowhere in the world. Nowhere in the world. Shale gas, it is taking place and how it has altered the geopolitics and all that. Okay, so gas halide never take the option of commercial production. Even if saying US has started, no. Japan has started, no. Even if they say China has started, no. So that's what. Okay, just one more point, like shale gas. Shale gas, just one point I will be sharing with you. Like, there is first site in India has been where it has been established for exploration purpose. It is in the Cambay region. And that site for shale gas exploration has been named as Jambusar. Jambusar, it is a joint venture of ONGC and ConocoPhillips of US. Okay,